The Biden administration may change tactics as COVID cases climb. They've tried the carrot approach, so think vaccine lotteries and other incentives, but now they could be switching to the stick. NewsNation White House correspondent Allison Harris live for us tonight in D.C. So, Allison, what options are we talking about when we say the stick approach now?
Yeah, I like that analogy, Nicole. Since President Biden took office, since he became president, he's talked about a whole of government approach. He's talked about a wartime effort to combat COVID. Now his approach is getting more forceful. He's considering withholding federal funds to institutions that do not require employees to get vaccinated. The president's spokeswoman today says that there are early conversations about this, mentioning nursing homes and long-term care facilities among the industries that are being talked about. The idea is that the administration could withhold things like Medicare money to those facilities if they do not vaccinate their workforce.
Yes, there are early conversations, early discussions about a range of options. Those are all early stage.
Now, the administration has said it is not going to do a federal vaccine mandate. The president has already announced a vaccine mandate for federal workers, including an intent to mandate vaccination of the military. But that paired with incentives like multi-million-dollar lotteries and $100 payouts to people who are getting vaccinated right now, that has not proven incentive enough to get tens of millions more Americans vaccinated. Right now, there are roughly 90 million Americans who remain unvaccinated. The CDC and doctors say they are spreading the more dangerous Delta variant, and the White House doesn't want to see that impede progress that we have seen today with the announcement of the new jobs report, which shows the U.S. economy added 943,000 jobs last month. Nicole?
All right, yeah, withholding those federal dollars may be the incentive. All right.